I'm gonna tell you how to capitalize on your talents and enlarge your unique capacities to influence the nations of the world. Let's go. Capitalizing on one's talent is like refining your gold. The higher the hits, the higher the intensity, the brighter your gold will shine. This is where you exercise your swiftness, drilling those powers, training and stretching the extent of your reach. Hear the books and expand the range of your dexterity, fortifying and strengthening the scope of your resistance, pushing and extending the limits of your buoyancy, reinforcing and toughening the scale of your ability. Discovering yourself is an art itself, and to get the most out of it, you will have to increase the level of your competence on the international levels and become so good until you hit a world record and therefore influence the nations of the world. Hit the link in the description below to continue with the first part of this video, which is how to capitalize on your talents for those of you who especially want to break a world record. Click on the first link in the description right now. Don't miss this out. See you there.